AutoRent, reinventing car rentals with blockchain. No lost keys here. From handshakes to smart contracts. In a world where nobody wants to handle coins anymore, not even digital ones if the fees are too high, disruptive technologies are reshaping how we share, buy, and use goods. Car rentals are no exception. What if you could rent, unlock, and drive a car without speaking to anyone, visiting an office, or worrying about physical keys? Welcome to AutoRent, a decentralized Ethereum-based car rental platform where even Kit from Knight Rider would feel right at home. Why blockchain? And why Ethereum? Because blockchain is immutable, distributed, transparent, and let's be honest, pretty cool. Ethereum, unlike other blockchains, allows the creation of smart contracts that automate agreements without intermediaries. No banks, no middlemen, no hidden fees. Just code, cryptography, and relentless logic. Well, mostly. Smart contracts on Ethereum allow operations to be executed only if predefined conditions are met. Didn't pay the deposit? No car for you. Returned it late? Penalty applied. Brought it back with glitter and confetti in the trunk? That might cost you extra. AutoRent, the app that does it all without people. AutoRent was developed as a DApp, decentralized application, using tools like Truffle to compile, deploy, and test smart contracts. Ganache, to simulate private blockchains without spending a cent or a way. Solidity, the smart contract programming language, cousin of JavaScript. MetaMask, the browser extension every crypto enthusiast loves or curses during a bad transaction. Can control, devices that remotely unlock the car. It's not magic, it's IoT. Smart contracts, the new rental agents. AutoRent includes two main contracts. Driving license contract verifies the driver's license. Spoiler, governments still don't offer a blockchain API, so licenses are manually verified and stored on a private chain. AutoRent contract manages reservations, payments, remote unlocking, and returns. Basically everything a front desk clerk would do, minus the coffee breaks. How does it work? The user picks a car, signs the contract on the blockchain, naturally, pays in Ether, and gets a digital key on their phone. If all goes well, it's driving time. If not, the car doesn't even flinch. Remote control, unlocking your car like a smartphone. The system integrates IoT plus smart contracts plus SNS magic. Well, almost. Thanks to CAN control devices and the Ethereum network, cars can be locked, unlocked remotely. Only the renter can access the car during the rental. If things go south, access can be revoked instantly. Even James Bond would be jealous. Implementation, from code to car. The platform is implemented through a user-friendly web interface where users select the car, pay the fee, and complete the entire rental process. Everything is handled securely with MetaMask, which mediates between the browser and the blockchain. Key smart contract functions include Rent car, checks availability and validates the license. Return car, ensures no outstanding charges, processes refunds, and resets car availability. It's like having a lawyer, an accountant, and a car rental agent all rolled into one piece of code. Security, cryptography to sleep peacefully. AutoRent avoids passwords, centralized databases, and the usual security pitfalls. All data is stored on-chain and transactions are cryptographically signed. Plus, hash functions detect any tampering. The distributed architecture is resilient against DDoS attacks. The smart lock system ensures only the current renter can access the car. If a user misbehaves or overstays, the system can track the car and even lock it down. It's the automotive equivalent of a mic drop. Conclusions and future work. This project presents the design of a decentralized car rental system based on Ethereum smart contracts. To evaluate its feasibility, a working prototype called AutoRent was implemented. the system eliminates the need for physical keys, human contact, and trust in third parties, while maintaining a high level of security and automation. However, there's room for improvement. For instance, Ethereum gas fees can fluctuate wildly. Sometimes they feel like airport rental insurance rates. Also, since Ethereum is public, privacy and information exposure should be carefully evaluated. Since September of 2022, Ethereum 2.0 and Proof of Stake reduce fees and increase scalability. Who knows? Maybe one day you'll rent a car just by blinking, but that's a paper for another time.